Hi dear students, welcome to my class. This is for ninth students and the chapter is atoms and molecules. In the last class, we were discussed about the mole concepts. Okay, by using formation of water equation, we have already discussed the mole concept. Can you tell what is meant by this mole or why we use this mole? So mole is a unit. So mole is a unit. So why to use this mole? So instead of representing the mass of that elements in the mole, we have to use the number of atoms or number of molecules. So the quantity of the substance in terms of number of its atoms or molecules use instead of their masses. So, what is this mole? So, one mole of any species, that species should be atoms, molecules, ions, any particles, is that the quantity in the numbers. Quantity in the numbers having a mass that equal to the its atomic mass or a molecular mass that should in grams. So, this number of particles present in 1 mole of any substance, that is a fixed number. That fixed number is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. This is also we call as Avogadro constant. What ma? Avogadro's constant. Avogadro's constant. So if in case in the examination, if they ask what is the Avogadro constant value, that is a 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. It may be asked like this also. So what is the value of 1 mole? So the value of 1 mole is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. So question should be like this also. Okay, how many number of particles are present in 1 mole of a substance? How many particles or how many atoms or how many ions or molecules like this? How many particles? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of atoms or any particles that present in a particular substance. So this value is a fixed mark. Okay, if you consider 1 dozen, so in dozen number is 12 is fixed, but so the individual atomic masses should be various. If you consider the mass of banana, so if you buy one dozen banana, they will give you 12 bananas. If you buy a 1 dozen of apple, they will give the 12 apples, but there is a difference in the masses of banana and apple. So that is what. So this mole is it's a molar mass. The mass of any substance, that means a mass of 1 mole of a substance, it is called its molar mass. So individual molecules as individual molar masses. For example, I am taking water, right? So this water has a molecular mass. So 2 hydrogens, 2 atomic mass plus oxygen 16. Totally how much? 18 U. It is a molecular mass of water. In the same way, if we have to calculate the molecular mass of oxygen, how many? 16. Number of particles 2 is there. For single oxygen atomic mass is 16. 2 oxygen 32 U. So this is also a molecule. For this molecule 32 U. 32 U means 32 grams. So if you measure in moles, that you should mention in 32 grams. Here 18 grams. So 18 grams means 1 mole. So 1 mole of water. 1 mole of water means so 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of particles. That means 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of water molecules are present in 1 mole of that water molecule, 1 mole of water molecule. Like 18 grams of water molecule is same. For example, I am taking a relationship between all these, okay, relations. So before going to this, you should clearly understand what is mole. So if you know what is mole, then only you can understand all these things. Can you say this one mole? The mole is the amount of substance. Mole is a amount of substance. I already told that a mole means it is a comes from the Latin word, that means it is a heap of atoms or molecules. It is a heap. Okay. So the mole is the amount of the substance that contains same number of particles. Same number of particles. How many particles? Same number, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Same number of particles. That particles may be atoms, molecules, ions, or any other particles. Okay. So same number of particles as there are atoms in exactly 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. Carbon 12 isotope. If you check this, if you consider this is a carbon 12 isotopes. Carbon 12 isotope. How many grams? 12 grams of carbon 12 isotopes we call as 1 mole. 1 mole. Okay. 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope is considered as a this is a comparison with all other elements or all other substances. So this is 1 mole. In this, how many number of atoms are present? So 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of particles or number of atoms. That means 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of atoms are present. Which type of atoms? Carbon atoms are present in 1 mole of carbon. 1 mole of carbons. Okay. So for this I am going a relations. For this, so 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. 0.622 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of carbon. Atoms of carbons, which means 1 mole of carbon. 1 mole of carbon. 1 mole of that means 1 mole of carbon atoms. 1 mole of carbon atoms. If you call 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of carbons is equal to 1 mole of carbon atoms. Okay. In the same way, you have to mention in grams. That means the atomic mass of carbon is 12. That means 12 grams of carbon atoms. 12 grams of carbon atoms. All these gives same meaning. So 12 grams of carbon atoms means 1 mole of carbon atoms. 1 mole of carbon atoms means 6.022 into 10 to the power of atoms of carbon. All these gives same meaning. In the same way, 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of hydrogens. So 6.022 into 10 to the power of atoms of hydrogens are present. They are here equal to 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. Can you tell the number of atoms in grams? 1 gram. Why? Because the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 gram of hydrogen atoms. 1 gram of hydrogen atoms. See, but this number is fixed. How many numbers? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of atoms are present. Here number of atoms are same, but mole value here in this gram atomic mass. Right now, gram or molar mass should be changed for different compounds. This is the carbon is a one type, hydrogen is a another type. That's why different type of compounds or substances or different atomic masses. Okay. So you have to mention, you have to remember one thing. So 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 means 1 mole of any atoms. So this is also we call as Avogadro's constants. Okay. So this number is given by a scientist that is Avogadro. His name is Wilhelm asked why. So because of his honor, they gave the name Avogadro's constants. Avogadro constant value is the same. Mole value is also same. Or how many number of atoms are present in 1 mole of any species is also same. Okay, this is what today's class mole. I think you are all clearly understand this mole concepts. Okay, so 1 mole that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 numbers. That is a number. So that is a relative mass in, this is a relative mass in grams. Relative mass in grams. Relative mass in grams. Mass in grams. This is a mole value. Okay. So this is a number of particles. In the next class, we will discuss the some problems on this mole concept. If you well known with the mole concept and these all these values, then only and this atomic masses, molecular masses, then only you have to solve the problems on this mole concept. Okay. So before going to solve the problems, we should clear with all these concepts. Okay. Once again, we have to revise all these videos and comes with the fresh mind. Tomorrow I have solved some problems regarding this mole concept. Okay. Thank you.